In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your reports to a PDF in ClickUp and easily download them. Whether you're aiming to present your findings or simply maintain a neat archive of your work, learning to export your ClickUp dashboards as PDFs is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to clickup.com and log into your account. It's crucial to ensure you have access to the specific workspaces and dashboards that you need to work with. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the ClickUp homepage interface, which holds the key to your productivity. Once you're inside, head straight over to the dashboard section. You can find this option listed on the left-hand side menu. Dashboards in ClickUp are the go-to space for visualizing your data and keeping tabs on various task metrics. It's the perfect place for getting a detailed overview of your projects, which you can then easily translate into a PDF report. Now, within this area, you should see an option labeled Simple Dashboard. Clicking on this takes you to a pre-built dashboard that's ready for customization and export. The beauty of using the Simple Dashboard is its versatility. It's straightforward and designed to give you a clean, concise report every time. At this point, you'll need to select the workspace from which you want to create a dashboard. If you're managing multiple projects, ensure you choose the correct workspace to capture the relevant data. This step ensures that the PDF you generate contains precise and useful information tailored to your current projects or tasks. With your workspace selected, it's time to create your dashboard. Click the Create Dashboard button you see on the screen. This process might take a few moments as ClickUp gathers all the necessary data into a cohesive, visual overview for you. Once your dashboard is ready, the export process is just a click away. In the options available on your dashboard page, you'll find an Export as PDF button. Clicking this prepares your report for export in a PDF format, which is widely shareable and easily printable. Finally, you'll need to seal the deal by clicking on Download PDF. This action will save the completed report to your device, ready for you to share with your team, present in a meeting, or keep for your records. And there you have it. Your neatly packaged project insights are now conveniently saved as a PDF file. By following these steps, exporting your data into PDFs in ClickUp becomes a simple and effective way to maintain organized and shareable project documentation. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope you find this process as helpful as it is easy. Happy organizing!